Spicing things up, adding excitement to your English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, spicing things up. This expression is quite colorful and is used widely in both formal and informal contexts. Understanding its meaning and usage can really add flavor to your English conversations. So, let's explore how you can spice up your English language skills. Spicing things up is an idiomatic expression derived from the literal use of spices in cooking to enhance the flavor of food. When used metaphorically, it means adding excitement, variety, or interest to a situation, activity, or relationship that has become boring, monotonous, or routine. Just like how adding spices can transform a bland dish into something delicious, using this phrase implies making something more lively or interesting. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase can be used in different contexts. In personal relationships, after 5 years of marriage, they decided to spice things up by taking salsa classes together. In work or projects, our team meetings have become too predictable. It's time we spice things up with some creative brainstorming sessions. In daily life, I've been wearing the same style for years. It's time to spice things up with a new wardrobe. These examples show that spicing things up can be applied in various areas of life to introduce newness or excitement. Learning a language can sometimes feel repetitive. Here are a few tips to spice up your English learning journey. Incorporate games. Use English language games or apps to make learning more fun and engaging. Explore different media. Watch movies, listen to music, or read books in English from various genres and regions. Practice with native speakers. Engage in conversations with native English speakers. It adds real-life experience and unpredictability to your learning process. Set creative challenges. Challenge yourself with writing prompts, speaking topics, or vocabulary goals that are outside your comfort zone. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, spicing things up, and inspired you to add some excitement to your English learning process or any other aspect of your life. Remember, learning is a journey, and adding a little spice can make it all the more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and keep spicing things up in your English adventures.